The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Good afternoon, Bicolania, at sa lahat ng mga basketball fans na nakatutok ngayon sa ating semifinals round matchup between the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. Ako po si Rick at kasama ko ngayon si Burns at kami po ang makakasama nyo all throughout this game.
And ayun nga partner, no, makikita natin dito sa ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium na punong-puno ng mga supporters from NCF and the ACLC. Pero nga partner, no, the defending champions will battle against the first time team na makakapasok sa ating semifinals matchup which is the ACLC Hawks.
Dito is mag-a-advance na sa ating finals at ang matatalo is ligwak na sa ating liga.
And yun nga partner, no, syempre pasalamatan natin ang ating mga live viewers na nanonood dito sa ating gymnasium, no. Napakarami, punong-puno at magiging napaka-exciting ng ating plays at game na makikita ngayong araw.
Ayan nga, at para makihingi tayo ng update sa side ng ACLC Hawks, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay. Hi Zay, anong balita dyan?
Burns and Rick, napakaganda nga ng araw as we witness the battle between the NCF Cubs and the ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman, let's do a quick interview sa utak at boses ng Champions of the Sky, their head coach, John Paul Deswanco. Coach John Paul Deswanco, magandang araw sa iyo, Coach. As you advance sa ating semifinals for the first time and write a history not only for the school but for these young players, what's the one thing that you always remind them?
I'm always remind them that they need to give their best in everything they do, especially student athletes sila, so they need to attend their classes, and at the same time, in the afternoon, they need to attend their classes. Practice kami sa morning, so yung ginagawa namin.
So for the second question po, Coach, is what can you say to those people who look down on us kasi wala daw tayo court and we lack equipments, kaya it will be hard for us to reach the semifinals?
Yes, I think lagi naman may ganyan eh. And hindi na rin bago sa akin yung ganyang scenario. But I always tell my players that keep that as a motivation. And yun nga, yung pinapanood natin, kung may nanonood kayo ng One Piece, di ba? Sinasabi nga doon that if the path that you take comes easy, then you're on the wrong path. Now, I think we're on the right path right now.
Thank you so much, Coach. So would you like to invite our viewers to support the ACLC team today?
Yes, unang-una, I invite all the ACLC community in behalf of the owners, Boss Adrian Litam and Ma'am Steph. Ma'am, thank you po sa support. And God bless po sa Bucal for the semis.
Maraming salamat po, Coach JP Deswangco. And again, this is Armeniano from the side of the ACLC Hawks, or should I say, the new home of the champions. Back to the panel.
Zai, for that update on the side of the Hawks. And yun nga, partner, no, konting emphasis lang dun sa sinabi ni Coach Deswangco, no. Kahit kinukulang sila ng equipments, walang-wala yon kung may puso at dedikasyon ang mga player niya. Kaya makikita natin at evident naman nga talaga, partner, no, na nakapasok sila dito sa semifinals because of their sheer determination sa laro ng basketball.
Ayan, tamang-tama. And aabangan natin dito ang mga game plan na ginawa ng dalawang kupunan. And of course, the ACLC Hawks talagang first time nilang makapasok sa ating semifinals. And now, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng NCF Tigers para makangi ng update. Hi, Kyla. Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Burns and Rick. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the semi-final round of junior basketball here at Bucal Season 5, and the NCF Corps are really prepared for this game. And to tell us about their preparation, we have their head coach, Coach Brian Ayo. Coach? Good afternoon, Coach. Since this is the semi-final rounds, ano ba yung reminders nyo sa team na alam nyong makakatulong sa kanila para maipanalo tong game na to against the ACLC?
I always remind the team na give their best, show them that we are the champs, we need to defend the crown and act and play as champions.
Coach, kung sa pagkain merong secret ingredients, ano ba yung secret ingredients ng Cubs na nakakatulong sa kanila para magstay sila sa kanilang composure at sa kanilang teamwork?
Yung siguro yung sikreto lang nila is they play as a team and they trust each other. Then yung bonding nila, very important yon sa larong ito.
And since this is a very important game, what can we expect po ba for the NCF Cubs? Ano ba yung ipapakita nila for this game?
Expect na we will give our best, we will show class, we will show elegance, and we will show the heart of a champion.
And of course, Coach, dahil maraming nanunood sa atin ngayon, please invite our viewers to continue support our NCF Cubs.
I invite everyone, especially mga families, friends sa mga players ko, NCF community to watch, support the NCF Cubs and the Bucal season.
Thank you so much, Coach, and best of luck po for this game. There you have it, Coach Brian Ayo, the head coach of the NCF Cubs. This is Kyla Casulio reporting on the side of Naga College Foundation Cubs. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Rick.
Ayan, sabi nga dito ng coach ng ating defending champion, talagang ang bonding and trust with each other ang kanilang pinakahawakan. At syempre, hindi na sila bago sa ganitong sitwasyon. So they will give their best kasi mahalaga ang semifinals na ito.
Nga, partner, no, kagaya ng sinabi ni Coach Brian, no, tiwala talaga sa isa't isa ang kailangan dito sa laro ng basketball because they are working as a team, they are working as a single unit, kaya kailangan talaga nila ng tiwala sa isa't isa at kumpiyansa sa kung ano man ang pinapakita nila dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
At yan, nakikita nga natin dito sa loob ng ating venue, ang two big crowds when it comes to the fans talaga.
Oo.
Ang NCF Tigers and ang ACLC Hawks talagang may baon sila dito when it comes to their games.
Yes, partner, no? At syempre, dagdag factor din yan sa motivation na nakukuha ng ating mga players na naglalaro dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Alam mo yon, ang daming nag-cheer sa inyo, ang daming yung nai-inspire kapag kayo ang naglalaro. Kaya yun talaga ang isa sa mga malalaking factors when it comes to the performance of the players.
At syempre, imbitahan natin ang ating mga live viewers sa ating mga live stream. We have the One Media TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page, and Oragon Sports TV. So tutok lamang po kayo.
And syempre, partner, pasalamatan din natin ang mga sponsors ng Bucal Season 5. That is Bigs, Elise Sportswear, and Havaianas. Kung wala kayo, wala po ang Bucal. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at suporta sa Bucal Season 5. Pero ayan mga kaibigan, we will just take a short commercial break and sa pagbabalik natin, magsisimula na ang semifinals match between the Naga College Foundation, and the ACLC Hawks.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic
We are back live mga kaibigan sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at punong-puno tayo ngayong araw sa semifinals matchup ng NCF Junior Cubs and the ACLC Hawks. Maya-maya lang mga kaibigan, mag-uumpisa na ang labanan na ito. And makikita nyo sa ating camera ang ating Tigers mascot cheering on and hyping up the audience dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers.
Ayan nga partner, talagang punong-puno dito sa ating venue at walang nagpapatalo between the fans of the Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. Talagang magandang bakbakan ang aabangan natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And in a few minutes nga, Burns, magsisimula na ang ating match.
And ayun nga partner, no, kung titignan natin sa audience and audience impact, makikita natin na evenly matched ang NCF and ACLC. Pero makikita natin talaga ang magiging resulta when it comes to the hard court. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, no? Ina-announce na ng ating resident Barker ang ating mga players from the side of the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. At ayun na nga mga kaibigan, no? Pinakilala na ang starting five of both teams. And maraming salamat sa ating resident Barker na si LA Lapid for starting up the hype in this hard court. And then makikita natin mga kaibigan, no? From both teams, we will start our tip-off. Sino kaya ang mananalo dito sa labanan na to? Will it be the first time semifinalists, the ACLC or Tiger Cubs? And just like that, NCF will put up their score in the scoreboard.
Now, ACLC ball possession. Bautista looking for his teammate and tries for that, no good.
What a beautiful defensive play there from the side of the Cubs. Ball possession pa rin mapupunta sa Hawks with 11 seconds on the shot clock here. Corner three-pointer is good para kay number 25. ACLC now with a 1-point lead. Tigers now with the ball here. Sila ngayon ang mag-aawak ng opensa. Number 12 now, Vargas with the ball, passes it to his teammate. Almost losing that ball there. Recovered. Inside pass to number 10, that's good. Change lead na naman tayo dito ngayon, partner.
Ayan, great start for both teams.
That's a steal by the Cubs. Corner pass for a three-pointer, no good. Ball goes out of bounds dito. Pupunta sa ACLC Hawks.
Now Javier.
Whistle called here by the referee. Full court defense. Ang pinapakita kaagad dito ng NCF Tigers. Almost a steal there. Successful one this time. Vargas ngayon going inside. Lays it up. No good. ACLC with that ball. Number 5 in the fast break. Goes inside. Spins. Extra pass intercepted. That's a steal again by the Cubs. Three straight turnovers here para sa side ng ACLC. NCF now with the ball here. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Long three-pointer. Doesn't go in. Rebound secured again by number 25 ng Hawks. Goes inside. Layup. That's short. Offensive rebound. Fadeaway jumper. That's good. Two-pointer again para sa side ng Hawks. NCF goes inside but that layup doesn't go in. Fast break ulit dito ang ACLC. Number 21 with the ball here. Heavily guarded by number 28. Passes to number 14 to number 5. Mid-range jumper. That's short. Tigers ngayon with the ball here, number 28. Goes inside, layup, that's good! Heavily guarded by that defense, but it doesn't matter. 4-point lead here by the Tigers. Number 25 goes inside, goes down, that's a steal. Number 21 goes inside again, layup is good. Back-to-back points para sa Tigers. NCF ngayon with the momentum early on in this quarter. Number 27, a three-pointer, it's good. ACLC with that three-pointer. Cutting the lead to 3. Another three-pointer para sa side ng Tigers. It's good. ACLC naman ngayon. Number 34. Easy with that two-pointer. Six minutes, 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 11-7 ang score plus a three-pointer para sa Tigers. Umiinit mga kaibigan ng Tigers dito. ACLC, that's a steal by the Tigers again. Beautiful pass there to number 21 for that two-pointer.
Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng ACLC Hawks. What a great start para dito sa ating defending champion. 16-7 sa ating talaan with a remaining time of 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back live mga kaibigan sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium kung saan tumawag ang ACLC Hawks ng timeout dito to make some changes. Let's see kung magiging successful yung mga changes nila. Pero Tigers ngayon on the offense, layup, that's good. NCF Tigers proving why they are the back-to-back champions in this division. And a foul called here by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Gianan. An early double-digit lead here para sa defending champions. ACLC needs to step up dito kung gusto nilang makalamang. They have the offense now. Number 2 to number 5. Heavily guarded here. Passes to number 25. Number 25 goes inside. Whistle called by the referee. "14 seconds to the shot clock para sa ACLC. Inbound pass successful there para sa ACLC. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 25 fires a long three-pointer. That's good. Back to a single-digit lead here para sa NCF Tigers. Tingnan natin kung may magiging sagot dito ang Tigers. Number 28, Bernabe with the ball. Goes inside. Lays it up. That's good. Plus a foul. It's going to be a foul goal on jersey number 5. Pero the basket won't count mga kaibigan. Coach Ayo calling for a review. Pero masyadong maaga pa mga kaibigan to call for a review here. Little discussion dito from the table of officials para kay Coach Ayo. Make some clarifications mga kaibigan. Pero dun sa sequence na nangyari kanina from that foul, Coach Brian Ayo was calling that was in the act of shooting. So, nagtataka siya kung bakit, partner, no? Hindi kukuha ng free throw dito yung isa sa mga players niya. Pero quick shoutout muna tayo dito, mga kaibigan. No? Shoutout sa ating mga live viewers, sa ating mga Facebook pages. Don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito. Tigers with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 28, Bernabe fires a three-pointer. That's going to be short. On offensive rebound by Gianan. Goes inside. Doesn't get that second chance in. Hawks now with the ball. That's going to be a turnover. Medyo madalas dun. On the side of the Hawks yung bola. Substitution dito on the side of the Hawks. Tigers with the ball here. Number 21 with the ball. Fires a long three-pointer. That's good. Using the glass to their advantage. Balik sa double digits ang kalamangan dito ng ating Tigers. That's going to be a foul called on number 8. Another substitution here on the side of the Hawks. And also substitution from the side of the Tigers. "15 seconds on the shot clock para sa Hawks dito. Number 5 taking point para sa Hawks. Crosses over his defender, goes inside, lays it up, no good. Offensive rebound, number 17, tries again, this time, no good. Number 25, la pa rin. Number 2 with that putback is good. Hawks showing signs of life in this quarter. Umahabol pa rin sila dito. Back to a single-digit lead para sa Cubs. Long three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound para kay Bernabe, goes inside, strips that ball, goes outside and mapupunta sa Hawks ang bola.
And now ACLC ball possession. Bautista. Heavily guarded here by Sutpin. Passes to his teammate. And a whistle coming from our referee here. And a foul was called on Bernabe on that last play. Now jersey number 23 stepping on that free throw line. First basket was good. Salando again. Another basket for him.
Free throw is good para kay Hernandez dito. Still a full court man-to-man defense para sa side ng ating Tigers. Ball goes out of bounds here. Ball possession mapupunta pa rin sa Hawks. Quick substitution para sa side ng Hawks. 17 seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds to make a play. Number 24 gets that inbound pass. Passes to number 23. Goes inside. That's a block. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul on Hernandez. 2 shots dito para kay number 23. Salando. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 from the line here, si Salando. Tigers now on the offense. Number 67 passes to number 13, Borromeo for that three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 67 goes inside. That's a block by number 17. Fast break ngayon dito ang Hawks. Inside pass intercepted by number 13. That's a steal. Gianon with the ball. Passes to Hernandez. Hernandez scorching hot for that two-pointer. ACLC ngayon with the ball. Stripped away again by the Cubs. Fast break ulit sila dito. Stopped there by the Hawks. Ball goes out of bounds. NCF ball. Makita natin sa ating instant replay yung napakagandang sequence of events kanina with that layup of Hernandez. 10 seconds on the shot clock here para sa Tigers. Hernandez with the ball, fires a three-pointer, no good. ACLC ngayon with the ball, number 13, goes inside, lays it up, no good. Heavily guarded that time. Hernandez passes to Borromeo. Borromeo goes inside, passes to the outside, Guyana na mid-range, that's good. Nothing but the net there. Technical foul called here by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Gianan. Substitution dito on the side of the Tigers. Free throw here by number 23. Salando is good. Hawks with the possession here. To cut it down back to a single-digit lead. That's gonna be a foul called. Masyadong malakas. Yung tama doon mga kaibigan. From both teams. I think number 67 is bleeding from the side of the Cubs. Makikita natin sa ating instant replay mga kaibigan. Napakalakas talaga ng collision na nangyari from the both players. Ay, nakita mo yung partner, no? Straight to the head collision from both teams dito. Kailangan nila dito mag-substitute both teams, and let's hope and pray na okay lang on both players from the side of the Tigers and the Hawks. And then mga kaibigan, no, makikita natin talaga sa instant replay. Nakakatakot and nakakakaba pag nakikita natin yung ating mga favorite players na nai-injure. Pero nandito naman yung mga medics natin. Shoutout sa ating mga medics na nandito sa ating venue to assist and help the injured players. It's gonna be an ordinary foul from the side of the Tigers. Ball possession, mapupunta pa rin sa side ng Hawks with their free throws here. Hopio will shoot his free throws. First shot, no good para sa side ng Hawks. Second shot here for Hopio is good. A minute and 24 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. NCF with a steady lead here. Borromeo goes inside. That's a foul by the referee. Called by the referee. Free throws dito para kay Borromeo. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Borromeo. No good. 1 for 2 for the line that time. ACLC ngayon with that fast break intercepted by Borromeo. It's gonna go out of bounds. Ball possession pupunta sa ACLC with 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. Ano nang mapapasaan dito? Gets to Hopio. Hopio with the ball, goes inside, lays it up, no good. Offensive rebound para sa Hawks. Number 34 floats it up, no good. Foul called here by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 22, Loria. 2 shots ngayon para sa Hawks. First shot is no good. Second shot here para kay Montana, still no good. Ball possession ngayon para sa Tigers. Basagre with the ball. Goes inside, kicks it outside. Hernandez 3-pointer. Inside out. Seconds to play here para sa first quarter natin. Number 13 intercepted. Almost losing that ball. Pass it to number 24, to number 27, Hopio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Montana for 3, no good. Offensive rebound para sa Hawks. This time it's good. Shot clock is off, mga kaibigan. Basagre goes inside. Nice defense there by number 17. Intercepted pass by Hernandez. Ball possession will go to the Hawks for this last time. Quick substitution para sa Hawks. Only a 9-point lead here, mga kaibigan, para sa Tigers. Gets the ball inside the court, number 14, inside pass. That's good para kay number 34.
That's it. That's the end of our first quarter. 29-22 on our scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live, mga kaibigan, sa ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter. 7-point lead here by the Tigers. Hawks now with the possession. Number 24 kicks it outside, goes inside. Number 13 with a floater, no good. Ball is saved but intercepted by the Tigers here. Hernandez with the ball, passes it to the corner. Borromeo goes inside. Extra pass intercepted by number 17, goes out of bounds.
Timeout was called on the side of the ACL's NCF Tigers. 29-22. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remain on our second quarter. The ACLC caught their lead. The NCF Tigers has the lead of 7 here in our second quarter. And the ACLC Hawks needs to step up here on our second quarter. At mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers sa Facebook page ng Bucal and One Media TV 48 Naga. Shout out kay Christine Reyes and kay Aljan Pogay. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
And then mga kaibigan, back to the ball game tayo dito. Coach Brian tumawag ng quick timeout to make some changes. 14 seconds on the shot clock here para sa Tigers. Hernandez now with the ball to Vargas. Vargas pass it to Hernandez. Quick trigger 3, no good. ACLC ngayon on the offense. Number 24 with the ball, passes it to Hopia. To number 25. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fires a long three-pointer. That's short. Pero recovered there by his teammate. No good pa rin sa kanyang second attempt. That's a block. Tigers now on the offense. Borromeo goes inside, lays it up. No good. Put back by number 22 is good.
Ayan, 31-22 sa ating scoreboard at para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Cubs, tawagin natin si Kyle, ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Kyle, anong
Thank you,
balita dyan?
Burns and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded to play tough and avoid technicalities for this game. The Tigers are also pressuring their opponent, leading to their continuous execution of their game plan. And for this quarter, they are reminded to have a good ball rotation. Dagdag pa ni Coach, huwag sarilihin ang bola, kundi pairalin ang kanilang teamwork. Consistency is the key, ika nga ni Coach. They are also reminded by Coach Brett to continue the energy that they are showing with us today. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat Kyla for that update on the side of the Tigers. And yun nga mga kaibigan, napakaganda ng ball movement na pinapakita dito ng Tigers. Kaya sila ngayon ang nasa kalamangan. Pero kani-kanina lang mga kaibigan, there was a foul called. Kaya number 17 will shoot his free throws. Second shot is good.
Ayan, ball possession ngayon ng Cubs. And to hear an update sa kabilang kupunan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter ni Zay. Hi Zay, anong balita sa Hawks?
Rick and Burns, nagkaroon nga ng injury ang isa sa best player ng team na si Rain Paul Solando. Pero tuloy pa rin ang laban ng team as they focus on their team communication and chemistry. They will initiate the backline defense para mapaigi ang kanilang gameplay. Medyo naiwan ng ating players, however, we can see them push through the immense defense ng kalaban. But nevertheless, they will keep on shooting some points and share the ball until they regain their momentum. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat Zai for that update, and momentum nga ang kinukuha dito ng ating Hawks. Pero yan, going back sa ating ball game, almost a steal there again by the Tigers. Hopia with that contorting layup, no good. Hernandez ngayon passes to his teammate, lays it up, that's a block, pero may foul dito kay number 5 Bautista. First shot is good. Eight minutes and 2 seconds mga kaibigan ang natitira dito sa ating first half. Tigers still in the lead here. It's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 25 ng Hawks, Del Rosario. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Tigers. That's a block by number 17. And a steal by the Hawks. Pero masyadong malakas yung pasa there by Berse. NCF ngayon with the ball. Long three-pointer para number 21 is good. Back to a double-digit lead para sa side ng Cubs. Bautista inside pass. That's a rejection by Mahilom. Beautiful defensive stop there on the side of the Tigers. 11 seconds on the shot clock para sa Hawks dito. Three-pointer. No good. Ball possession, mapupunta sa Cubs. Intercepted there by the Hawks. Fast break ngayon sila dito. Bautista. Fires for three. No good pa rin. Offensive rebound. Stolen away by the Cubs. Layup, no good. Bautista ngayon with the ball. That's another steal by the Tigers. Gonna be stepping out of bounds. Hawks will regain the possession here. Bautista will take point para sa Hawks dito. Passes it to Berse. Balik kay Bautista ang bola. Bautista fires a three. No good. Ball goes out of bounds here. Substitution on the side of the Hawks. Full court man-to-man defense na rin ang pinapakita ng ACLC Hawks. Tigers now with the ball. Hernandez taking point. Hernandez passes it to his teammate. Inside pass. Slight miscommunication there. That's going to be a turnover on the side of the Cubs. ACLC now with the possession. Three-pointer there. No good. Ball goes to the Tigers. Five minutes and 53 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Number 21, long three-pointer is good. Kanina pa, umiinit si Campana dito. That's a steal, almost a steal there from the side of the Tigers. Number 17, pump fake, lays it up, that's good. Using the glass for that two-pointer. Tigers now with the ball. Hernandez. Hanap na mapapasaan. Passes to the wrong man. Fast break na dito ang Hawks. Number 14 with the ball. Lays it up. No good. Hernandez with the rebound. That's a steal. Number 34 cleans it up with that two-pointer. Campana with the ball para sa Tigers. Goes inside. Layup. No good. Put back by Mahilom is good. (40-27) mga kaibigan ang score. NCF still on the lead here. Substitution for both teams.
Timeout was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 40-27 on our scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter. And abante pa rin dito ang ating defending champion, ang NCF Cubs kontra ACLC Hawks. Now, shout out tayo sa ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV and sa Bucal Facebook page.
Ball possession now para sa Tigers. That's a three-pointer from the corner by number 24 is good. Manzanares with that three-pointer. Almost a steal there from the side of the Cubs. Ball possession, mapupunta sa Hawks. That's a steal by the Tigers. No good sa kanyang attempt there. And another steal by Campana. And a foul call there. It's going to be a foul call on jersey number 9. Twenty-one seconds on the shot. Tigers. Rodriguez passes it to the corner. Manzanares with the ball. Goes inside, lays it up, no good. And a foul called here. That's going to be a foul called on Manzanares. ACLC now on the offense. Being swarmed here by the Tigers. Layup, no good there. Para ka number 34, pero may foul. Called on Manzanares again. Montana will shoot his free throws. No good sa kanyang free throw there, si Montana. And safe now with the ball. Rodriguez passes to the corner. Campana three-pointer. In and out. No good. Fast break ngayon dito ang Hawks. Number 35 lays it up. It's good. Del Rosario with that two-pointer. Rodriguez passes to Sutpin. Goes inside. That's a rejection. Offensive rebound. Gianan ngayon with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rodriguez, three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Mahilom passes. Intercepted. That's a steal. Pass break ngayon. Del Rosario to his teammate. Extra pass. Masyadong malakas. Montana, three-pointer. No good. Foul called here on jersey number 17, Berse. Ball possession will go to the Tigers. 2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating second quarter. Rodriguez to Campana. Campana to Giba. Balik kay Rodriguez, miscommunication on that pass. That's gonna be a turnover. ACLC now with the ball here. Heavily guarded by Rodriguez. Hingi ng screen dito ang Hawks. Loose ball here. Scrambling. Montana with that layup, no good. Pero may foul na naman na nakita dito. It's gonna be a foul called on Mahilum. Two shots ulit dito para kay Montana. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound dito. Del Rosario. Passes it to his teammate. Montana mid-range, no good. Ball goes out of bounds. Hawks ball. "14 seconds on the shot clock here para sa side ng Hawks.
And a timeout was called by the ACLC Hawks. 6-point lead dito ang hawak ng ating NCF Cubs. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter matchup between these ACLC Hawks and NCF Cubs.
Hawks now with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Passes it to Del Rosario. Del Rosario goes inside, spins. Pero matatawagan siya ng traveling violation there. Mga kaibigan, traveling is better with Naga yung traveling tours. Live your dreams, create memories. Tigers now on the offense here. Basagre with the ball, passes to Gianan, to Giba. Balik kay Basagre ang bola. To Giba, 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Giba kicks it to the outside. Campana open for that three-pointer, it's good. Tigers now with a big lead here. Del Rosario lays it up, no good. It's going to be a foul called on Mahilum. Substitution dito for the side of the Tigers. Quick shoutout tayo dito mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay Jay Filipino na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. First shot dito ni Del Rosario is good. And a quick shoutout din tayo kay Althea Valencia na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Basagre now, passes to Gianan. Gianan open for that three-pointer. Does not get that shot in. Del Rosario now with the ball. Almost a stealer. Montana with that two-pointer is good. Less than a minute remaining here in our first half, mga kaibigan. 46-39 ang score. Lamang pa rin ang Tigers dito. Giba with the ball. Double team here by the Hawks. Sa dulo, passes. Campana with the ball, goes inside. Trying to lose his defenders. Gets that shot up. No good. That's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. Quick shoutouts tayo ulit, mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay Mecca Malasa, kay Christian Valenzuela, and kay Gian Kirby Arcon, kay Elmar Moraleda, and kay Coach JR Parco. Shoutout sa'yo, Coach. Substitution dito para sa side ng Hawks. Opio will go inside. The Rosario gets that inbound pass. The Rosario goes inside, lays it up, it's good. 24 seconds remaining here in our quarter. Stepping out of bounds dito si Montana. Tigers still with the possession here.
18 seconds remaining on our second quarter. And a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. 46-37 sa ating scoreboard. At abante pa rin dito ang ating defending champion. But the ACLC Hawks is slowly getting their rhythm here in our second quarter. Let's see kung ano pang ipapakita dito ng ACLC Hawks to tie up this match. Ayan, mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Karen K. Escaro and Cristina Valenzuela. Happy viewing po.